Здравствуйте! I moved to Russia and Moscow to be more exact, and I have my own flat. Let's see if my flat actually has a balcony, because what could I do without a balcony? I wouldn't be able to survive. Let's go into my flat now. Let's take a look. No. No. But I have golden ceilings. Ooh, look at this. No balcony for me, it seems. But I have one houseplant that my landlady gave me. So I guess I need to focus on houseplants while I'm in Russia. Anyway, so maybe in the near future you will see some houseplant videos from me. Anyway, see you soon. Пока-пока.